About social welfare, Imam Sadiq narrated from Rasulullah Khuda sallallahu alaihi wasallam, one who well wishes for the creature of Almighty Allah, his rank will be very high at the doomsday. One who warns his subordinates on minor errors, then he should not expect to establish honor and greatness. One who fulfills the needs of his brother, then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala fulfills his needs. Near Allah Almighty, the beloved person is that who benefits others. Once Imam Sadiq saw a person who was respected and praised by people stealing 2 naan, that is bread, and 2 apples. After stealing, he gave all this to a patient. With astonishment, when Imam Sadiq asked him the reason of this act, he explained his personal act from Surah Al-An'am, verse number 160. Whoever comes with good deed will be rewarded tenfold, but whoever comes with a bad deed will be punished for only one. None will be wronged. Hence, for bad action there will be 1 sin, whereas for good action there will be 10 times greater reward. 4 sins to steal 4 things, whereas 40 rewards for charity. Hence, there will be 36 rewards for me. On hearing him, Imam Sadiq explained that he was unaware the Holy Quran altogether. According to Surah Maida, verse number 27, surely Allah doth accept of the sacrifice of those who are righteous. Hence, there are 4 sins for stealing 4 things. Furthermore, 4 more sins were added to give that stolen goods to hand over others. Therefore, don't understand that doing such virtues will be benefited, but these will be counted in sins, and its remedy is only repentance and return the stolen things to its owner.